In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve is essential for any business looking to thrive online. The digital landscape is constantly shifting, with new trends and technologies emerging all the time. To navigate this complex environment, businesses need to employ a range of strategies to ensure their online presence is both visible and effective. Among these strategies, search engine optimization, or SEO, reigns supreme. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, making it easier for potential customers to find you. It's a multifaceted discipline that involves everything from keyword research to on-page optimization and technical SEO. It's the key to unlocking organic traffic and boosting your website's visibility on search engines like Google. Organic traffic is the lifeblood of any successful online business, as it brings in visitors who are actively searching for the products or services you offer. By improving your SEO, you can attract more of these high-intent visitors to your site. And at the heart of effective SEO lies a crucial element: link building. Link building is the practice of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. These links, also known as backlinks, are a critical factor in how search engines determine the authority and relevance of your site. Think of link building as earning votes of confidence from other websites. Each backlink acts as an endorsement, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more credible your site appears. When a reputable site links back to yours, it's like a digital thumbs up, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. This can significantly boost your site's authority and improve its ranking in search results. These backlinks act as pathways, guiding users and search engine bots alike to your web pages. They help search engines discover new content on your site and understand how different pages are related to each other. This can lead to better indexing and higher rankings. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the higher your website will rank in search results. This increased visibility translates to more clicks, more traffic, and ultimately, more conversions. Higher rankings can also enhance your brand's credibility and trustworthiness in the eyes of potential customers. This increased visibility translates to more clicks, more traffic, and ultimately, more conversions. More traffic means more opportunities to engage with potential customers, build relationships, and drive sales. It's a virtuous cycle that can lead to sustained growth for your business. In essence, link building is about building authority and credibility within your niche. By earning backlinks from reputable sources, you can establish your site as a trusted resource in your industry. This can lead to more referral traffic, higher search rankings, and greater overall visibility. However, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, and search engines place more value on links from authoritative and relevant websites. A single high-quality backlink can be more beneficial than dozens of low-quality ones. Earning backlinks from authoritative and relevant websites is far more valuable than a slew of links from low-quality or spammy sources. Focus on building relationships with reputable sites in your industry, creating high-quality content that others will want to link to, and consistently monitoring your backlink profile to ensure its quality. Now that you understand the importance of link building, let's dive into 3 effective strategies to earn those valuable backlinks. These strategies are not just about getting links, but about building relationships, providing value, and enhancing your online presence. First, guest posting. Sharing your expertise on other websites within your niche is a win-win scenario. This involves writing articles or blog posts for other websites in your industry. You get to reach a new audience and establish yourself as a thought leader, which can significantly boost your credibility and authority in your field. While the website hosting your guest post benefits from your valuable content, this exchange of value is crucial in the digital marketing world. Most importantly, you can include a backlink to your website within your author bio or within the content itself. This not only drives traffic to your site, but also improves your site's SEO. Second, broken link building. This strategy involves finding broken links, those links that lead to 404 error pages on relevant websites, and contacting the website owner to suggest a replacement link. The process starts with identifying websites in your niche that have broken links. Tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush can help you find these broken links efficiently. The key is to offer your own content as a relevant and high-quality replacement. This means you need to have content that is not only relevant but also superior to what was originally linked. This benefits both parties, as you gain a backlink and the website owner gets to fix a broken link on their site. It's a mutually beneficial arrangement that can lead to long-term relationships. Third, the skyscraper technique. This technique focuses on creating exceptional content that outshines existing resources on a particular topic. You identify top-ranking content for a specific keyword, create something even better, and then reach out to websites linking to the original content, suggesting they link to your superior resource instead. This technique requires thorough research and a deep understanding of your topic. You need to analyze the top-performing content, identify gaps or areas for improvement, and then create content that fills those gaps and adds more value. Once your content is ready, the next step is outreach. Contact the websites that are linking to the original content and present your improved version. Explain why your content is better and how it can provide more value to their audience. This approach not only helps you earn backlinks, but also positions you as a leader in your field. By consistently creating high-quality content and building relationships with other websites, you can significantly enhance your online presence and authority. In conclusion, mastering these three strategies, guest posting, broken link building, and the skyscraper technique, can greatly improve your link building efforts. They require time, effort, and a strategic approach, but the rewards are well worth it. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your online presence grow. Not all backlinks are created equal. In the world of SEO, the quality of your backlinks can make or break your website's ranking. It's not just about the quantity, it's about the quality and relevance of those links. Google's algorithms have become incredibly sophisticated at discerning between high-quality and low-quality links. These algorithms are designed to reward websites that earn their backlinks naturally and penalize those that try to manipulate the system. Here's what makes a backlink truly valuable. It's not just a matter of getting any link, it's about getting the right kind of link. Let's break down the key elements that contribute to a high-quality backlink. Relevance backlinks from websites within your industry or niche carry more weight than links from unrelated sites. This is because search engines see these links as endorsements from relevant sources, which adds to your site's credibility. For example, if you have a website about gardening, a backlink from a landscaping blog is far more valuable than a link from a fashion website. The relevance of the linking site to your content is crucial for SEO success. Authority links from websites with high domain authority and page authority are like gold. These sites are trusted by search engines, and a backlink from them can significantly boost your own site's authority. These metrics indicate the overall credibility and trustworthiness of a website in the eyes of search engines. The higher the authority of the linking site, the more valuable the backlink. Traffic backlinks from websites with high traffic are extremely valuable. These links not only improve your SEO, but also have the potential to drive significant referral traffic to your website. These links have the potential to drive significant referral traffic to your website, further boosting your SEO. The more visitors you get from these high-traffic sites, the better your chances of improving your search engine rankings. Anchor text. The anchor text is the clickable text that contains the backlink. The words used in the anchor text are important because they provide context to search engines about the content of the linked page. Using relevant keywords in your anchor text helps search engines understand the context of the linked to page. This can improve the relevance of your site for those keywords, enhancing your SEO efforts. Do follow versus no follow. Do follow links pass on link juice, which is a ranking factor, while no follow links don't. However, no follow links can still be valuable for driving traffic and increasing brand visibility. While both have their place in a balanced link building profile, prioritize earning do follow backlinks from authoritative sites. These links will have the most significant impact on your search engine rankings and overall SEO strategy. In conclusion, understanding what makes a backlink valuable is crucial for any successful SEO strategy. Focus on relevance, authority, traffic, and anchor text to build a robust backlink profile that Google will love. By prioritizing these elements, you can improve your website's visibility, drive more traffic, and ultimately achieve higher rankings in search engine results. Remember, quality over quantity is the key to effective link building. Section 4. Link building for beginners. Simple tactics for solid results. Link building doesn't have to be daunting. Here are some beginner-friendly tactics to get you started. First, directory submissions. Submitting your website to relevant online directories is a simple way to gain backlinks. Look for reputable directories within your industry or niche. Second, local listings. If you have a local business, claiming and optimizing your Google, My Business listing and other local directories is crucial for attracting local customers. Third, forum and community engagement. Participate actively in online forums and communities related to your industry. Provide valuable insights, answer questions, and include a link back to your website in your forum signature or when it's relevant to the conversation. Section 5. The Art of Blogger Outreach, Securing Backlinks from Influencers.